nandito tayo ngayon sa URAC. We were invited guys to let you know na meron silang Valentine's menu na 5-course meal. So this is at 1,250 only per head. And this is what you will get. Nasa labas po kami ngayon.
Napaka-romantic since
Yes.
ano nga tayo, it's a date?
It's a date.
Triple date na ngayon.
Group date.
Meron tayong third wheel.
Third wheel.
At ayun nga guys. So the first dish that came in, so yung kanilang chicken croquettes. Ayan. So anyway, so we're gonna post this one included sa video. This is a great place for you to have a date with your special someone. Kami naman titikman na namin ito. Let's go. Congratulations.
Of course, po
Yes.
is chicken croquetas with shredded chicken po, and meron po siyang mashed potato and truffle. And then sa loob po niyan is meron siyang mozzarella. Kapag kinain niyo po, make sure kasama po yung sauce. Sa isang spoon po, nandun po lahat ng component para ma-appreciate po lahat ng flavors. For our second course, sir, we have Mexican shrimp tostadas. It's like a canapé po. So we come up with chicken fajita, crispy tortilla, and then with a homemade queso sauce. So mas ma-enjoy niyo po kayo yan by hand.
By hand.
Yes po. You don't need to use a spoon and
Yes.
For our third course po, we have our grilled cheese, ham and cheese crostini made with sourdough baguette and homemade ham. And meron po siyang mozzarella and queso de bola. Again po, mas ma-enjoy niyo siya using your hand by eating it.
Alright.
Thank you po. For our salad po, we have our wild seed salad. It's made of romaine, arugula, cherry tomatoes, and smoked salmon, and then crispy parmesan.
Whoa. And whoa. And whoa.
For our main course po is braised beef short ribs po. So, niluto po siya for more than 6 hours. And yung sauce po niya is red wine sauce. And meron din po siyang potato polenta with parmesan on top. Almonds po and biscoff sauce.
This is the last dish that we're gonna enjoy. So thank you so much, URAC Telabastagan. So available din po yung Orchid Gardens branch po nila sa San Fernando. So go check them out. But for me, guys, if you're gonna have this kind of setup, go to Telabastagan.
Same time, URAC is available for Valentine's Day. May mga special menu sila, yun ngang 5-course meal.
So yun guys, we're gonna enjoy this one. Hope you like this, and we hope to see you here with your date, with your loved one. Not necessarily significant others. You can have a date with your family, or your brother, your siblings, mga ganyan. So ayun guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.